Hi friends, we're going to play a really fun game today to bring our learning outside. This game is all about measurement. Now, we might think that we need standard measurement tools like a ruler or a yardstick to measure, but this game is going to show you otherwise. If you happen to have chalk, grab a piece of chalk now. If not, use the lines in the sidewalk around your house. I'm going to start by drawing my beginning line. Then I'm going to jump as far as I can. I'm going to keep my chalk with me so I can mark my ending point too. Ready, set, go. Awesome. Now I'm going to draw my ending point. I'm going to walk back to the beginning and I'm going to measure using my feet. Watch this. I'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I jumped 5 feet long. You can use all sorts of objects to measure. If you happen to have pencils or spoons, try using those too. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I jumped 7 pencils long. Now, if you happen to have standardized measurement tools, you can pull those out now. I'm going to use a tape measure. I'm going to start at the end and measure how long I jumped. I see the number 5'8". That means 58. I jumped 58 inches. See how far you can jump.